Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. leads the launch of the Kadiwa ng Pangulo Expo in Intramuros, Manila on Friday. The expo featured an expanded Kadiwa network, including food hubs, centers, shops, model trucks and carts, designed to strengthen the local supply chain and expand access to essential food products. This year, the Benteng Bigas Meron na Rice Project is part of the government's Rice for All program. And throughout the 3-day expo, the public will be able to buy cheap rice for up to 10 kilos per day. Secretary Chu Laurel says there are 450 sites nationwide and expected to increase.
Our roadmap to a bigger and better and more Kadiwa aligned with the President's food security agenda. Sa Intramuros, sa sentro ng ating kasaysayan, pinatutunayan natin ang kinabukasan ng agrikultura ay konkretong hakbang tungo sa masaganang bagong Pilipinas.
The DA and the Department of Education also signed a Memorandum of Understanding which affords DepEd teachers and non-teaching personnel to buy affordable rice at 20 pesos per kilo. Teacher Rowena is one of those who lined up to buy affordable rice at the Kadiwa ng Pangulo Expo. According to her, this will be a great help in their expenses.
Kahit saan ka po magpupunta, no, ay hindi po tayo makakabili ng ganitong kamurang bigas. Kaya malaking tulong po ito, lalong-lalo na sa mahal ang mga bilihin ngayon at parating ang Christmas, nagbabudget ang lahat ng mga tao. So malaking tulong.
For exhibitor Mylene, a member of a cooperative, their participation in expos is also a big help to better market their products. Their products are available in more than 70 locations in different parts of the country.
Para po sa aming mga mag-aalaga ng baboy, magsasaka at sa lahat po ng mga miyembro, malaking tulong po ito para sa kanila. Na may nakukuha rin po silang balik-tangkilik yearly.
The second Kadiwa ng Pangulo Expo will be the largest rollout of the program in Metro Manila, where opportunities will be given to those in the vulnerable sector, including farmers, fishermen, farmer workers, transport groups, and low-income families to buy affordable rice. The said expo will end on November 30. Gab Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.